Hello everyone, as you know, your English classes has started. So, in April month, we have done all grammar lessons. Now, we will start Gulmohar book, which is literature. See chapter 1, it is Ivan's story. So, Ivan is a gorilla who lives in a cage at a mall. Now, Ivan is an animal and he is gorilla. He has spent 27 years either living in a human home or at the mall. So, he has spent his 27 years in a human home. Basically, he used to live with humans. The story told by Ivan is about he has nearly forgotten his life in the wild. Now this story is told by Ivan. Basically, this story is told by gorilla who has spent his life, how he has spent his life in the forest. The book was inspired by the true story of Ivan, who lived in a similar situation for 27 years. So, how he has spent his 27 years in the forest, so he will describe that. The grunt. First is the grunt. I was born in a place humans call Central Africa. Now, gorilla means Evans is saying that I was born in Central Africa. In Africa, Africa is a continent. So, I was born in Central Africa. In a dense rainforest, so beautiful, no crayons could ever do it justice. Basically, that area was so dense, the forest was so dense that we can't even imagine. Gorillas do not name their newborns right away the way humans do. So basically, he wants to say that gorillas don't give their newborn name. Basically, the way we humans give a newborn right away, just when they born. So gorilla actually wait. We get to know our babies first. We wait to see hints of what might yet be. Basically, we means gorilla. We observe the behavior of the babies, then we give their name. When they saw how much she loved to chase me around the forest, my parents decided on my twin sister's name tag. So, there is my sister. When my parents saw that she used to love to chase me, basically, so they have given her name, that is Tag. Oh, how I love to play tag with my sister. She was nimble, but when I got too close, she would leap onto my unsuspecting father. Basically, we means I and with my sister used to love to play with our father. Then I would join her and we would bounce on his belly until he gave us the grunt, a sound that meant enough. So basically, we really used to used to love to play with our father, but when he feels tired, so he gave us the grunt. Grunt means a lower sound. You can see in the word meanings a kind of lower sound, which means just stop, now you can't play, it's enough. That game never got old, although my father might have disagreed. So basically, I really love that game and I still remember. That's why this game is not old. Next is mud. It did not take long for my parents to find my name. All day long, every day I made pictures. I drew on rocks and bark and my poor mother's back. Basically, I really used to love draw pictures with mud. I use the sap. Sap, you can see sap meaning the liquid in a plant or tree that carries food to all its parts, kind of juice from the leaves. I used to sap from leaves. I used the juice from fruit, but mostly I used mud. So when I used to draw something, so I use juice from the fruit and from the leaves, and that is what they called me mud. That's why they have given me name which is mud. So my name is Mud. To a human, mud might not sound like much, but to me, it was everything. Basically, for human, it's just like a name, but for me, it is everything.